Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me, say boy.
Hello there, dancers. I'm Li Wen from Dance Insanity, and today's lesson is arm styling for stationary walk. This is how it goes. 7, 8, we close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see how the footwork goes. Starting with your weight on the left foot. Close right to left, switch your weight. Bring your left leg back, slight slip of the right foot, replace onto the right. We go close, ball, replace. Let's see the arms. Left arm out, right arm tight to the body. I like to keep it pretty close to my waist. So focus on having a full extension on the first step. The second step is just a pass-through position to a full position on the third step, like this. 1, pass through, full. 1, pass through, full. 1, pass through, full. 1, pass through, full. Okay, so you're really gung-ho, and you're like, come on, let's do this. And you go to the mirror, and you start like this, and then you start going, 1. You're like, oh my God, I'm just flopping my arms around, help! This is how you fix it. Really focus on the first and the third arm extension. Then you will prevent this from happening. Stretch. Feel like you're gonna reach for a bottle over there. When you switch, get to that position. So you need a lot of energy to push that arm out. Extend fully through your elbows. Make your elbows straight. And gut. Right there. And full extension. Ba-da. Stretch it out. Da. Stretch your elbows. Stretch your elbows out. I know you got this. Let's do this to music. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I'll give it a chance now. Take my hand, stop, and the man on the jukebox, and then we start to dance. And I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for
7,
somebody
8.
like me. Come on now, follow my lead. I may be crazy, don't mind me. Say, boy, let's not talk too much. Grab on my waist and put that body on me. Come on now, follow my lead. Come on now.
5 minutes, even 2 minutes of focused practice, getting it right, is much, much more important than 1 hour of anyhow practice. When you have your arms going and you feel like they're just having a mind of their own, stop, reset, and start all over again. That way you get in the habit of really doing it right. You got this. I'm Li Wen. I will see you in the next video.